Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the PixaFlux add-on for Blender. The PixaFlux add-on is located in the 3D viewport in the right-hand toolbar. It connects Blender directly to PixaFlux, allowing you to start the PixaFlux process, load projects, and build materials. The add-on works with the active object in Blender. The Attributes panel is used to define the attributes of the PixaFlux project, while the Build Material command generates all the textures in the PixaFlux process, and builds the Material Shader node network. For this material, we can activate displacement for the high texture, and set its value. Procedural Surface Texture projects created in PixaFlux are seamless and continuous, making them ideal for PBR workflows. The add-on can be downloaded from PixaFlux.com. To install it, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, click Install from Disk, select the PixaFlux.zip file and install. The add-on is also included in the PixaFlux installer, and can be installed by selecting the PixaFlux.py script from the installation directory. Before first use, the add-on must be configured. In the Preference window, set the executable path to point to PixaFlux.com.exe. This executable is a command line version of PixaFlux, built specifically to communicate with Blender. The add-on and PixaFlux communicate through a set of directories. While this can be located anywhere, I recommend creating a top-level folder named PixaFlux.com with 4 subdirectories: com, temp, log, out, com for command files written by both Blender and PixaFlux.com, temp for temporary files, log for logging data, out for output files generated by PixaFlux. Now that the add-on is configured, we can start using it. The add-on provides 3 panels: Main, Attributes, and Outputs. Now let's see it in action with an example project. Open PixaFlux and load the full grain layer project. This project is available in the downloadable samples on the PixaFlux wiki. This project includes 4 nodes that allow PixaFlux to set inputs and write outputs from the project. The Attributes node defines the attributes of the project, and the Output nodes write the images generated by the project: the albedo image, the normal image, and the roughness image. Back in Blender, add a Mesh Monkey object. This object has clean UVs, and an empty material graph. Open the main panel of the PixaFlux add-on. The Start button launches the PixaFlux.com process. The state label shows the current state. Load PXF loads your PixaFlux project. Once ready, the Attributes panel displays the project attributes, and the Outputs panel is populated with the output file paths for the project outputs. By default, files are saved in the out directory using a naming convention based on the object, project, and output names. Click Build Material to generate the textures in PixaFlux. And construct the shader node network in Blender. You can further refine the results by adding a subdivisions modifier, enabling Shade Smooth, and rebuilding the material. The full grain layer project will now produce a continuous, seamless set of PBR textures for your model. Now let's change some attributes and explore other outputs. The Outputs panel also allows you to set the path for each output image. And build the material. And that's how you use the PixaFlux add-on for Blender. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below or join our Discord community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Blue Sky, and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.